Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is stubborn. It is pronounced stub-un and spelt S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. Think stub and then born. Stubborn means having or showing a determined attitude and refusing to change one's mind or behavior. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone who is difficult to change or control. For example, you could say, the stubborn child refused to eat his vegetables, or she stubbornly refused to apologize. The word stubborn comes from the Old English word stub, which means stumpy, and of course it comes from the word born, which means born. It was originally used to describe a horse or mule that was difficult to move or control due to its short, sturdy legs. However, that meaning of being difficult to move is nowadays applied more generally to mean anyone who is determined and will not change their mind. See the connection between a stumpily born horse and nowadays the word being used to describe someone who is not willing to change their mind. In the film Zootopia, Judy Hopps, the first rabbit police officer, is stubborn in her determination to prove herself and to successfully solve a case, despite the obstacles and challenges that she faces throughout the story. She is stubborn and refuses to give up. Can you think of any other stubborn characters? Synonyms for stubborn include obstinate, headstrong, mulish, and determined. Antonyms include flexible, open-minded, easygoing, and yielding. Impress your friends and family today by using your new word, stubborn. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.